What's up, guys? I'm going to show you how to replace the batteries in an old school NVIDIA Shield remote for model number P2897. The batteries you're going to need is CR2032, and it's really easy. All you do, there is a spot on the bottom of the remote. It's like a little dot, and what you want to do is take, if I can get it to focus good, doesn't want to focus very good. Come on now. Well, you can see this dot right here. What you want to do is take a pin or a needle, like a sewing needle, if I can get this thing to focus, and all you do is push in and it should pop right out. It's kind of like an SD card case for your phone. So what you want to do is just slide it on out. Super easy. And remember the way it came in. There, it's focusing now, or it was. But it goes face up from where the remote is. So that's how you want to put it back in. And there's also some directions right there on the battery casing that tells you how to pull the battery out. And what you want to do is, let me see if I can get it focused in. There we go. Okay. See right here how it says push down? Let's see. Let's see if I can do better than that. Doesn't want to focus. Come on now. There we go. Okay. So it says to push down, and I've only done this one other time, so I'm kind of learning right along with you guys here. So it's saying to push down. Let's see. Maybe right here. Oh, one thing I found, you can kind of push on the other side to kind of push the battery out from the bottom right here. That's the battery I'm touching right there. So you kind of want to push down with one hand and up with the other, like that. Bam. So push down. There you go. Super easy. Okay. And then you want to take your new batteries and put them in the same way. It's battery CR2032. So just push it on in. There we go. And this is really nice because it has lips to kind of keep the batteries in place. The lips are right there. Right there. All right. Now you want to take your remote, and it's super easy, guys. Just slide it right back in there. Bam. And it reminds me of your phone, like you have a tiny SD card tray for your phone, and this is kind of the same principle. And that's all there is to it, man. Easy peasy. Hope this helps, and always follow your dreams.